Thumbnail Blaster is a powerful AI-driven tool designed to simplify the process of creating attention-grabbing thumbnails for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and other platforms. Thumbnails are a crucial element in attracting viewers, as they often determine whether someone clicks on your video. With Thumbnail Blaster, users gain access to an extensive library of ready-to-use templates tailored to various niches, from gaming to cooking to tech reviews. The software's drag-and-drop editor allows easy customization, enabling users to adjust text, colors, images, and design elements like emojis or arrows without any prior graphic design experience. Additionally, the tool offers a split testing feature, allowing users to test different thumbnail designs to identify which version performs best in terms of click-through rates. Integration with YouTube ensures seamless uploading, saving time and effort. Investing in Thumbnail Blaster can significantly enhance your video content's visibility and engagement. By using professionally designed, eye-catching thumbnails, creators can boost their click-through rates, ultimately leading to more views, increased audience engagement, and higher monetization potential. The software is cost-effective compared to hiring designers or subscribing to advanced design tools, making it an ideal choice for beginners and seasoned creators alike. Whether you're a YouTuber, digital marketer, or social media influencer, Thumbnail Blaster provides an affordable and user-friendly way to elevate your video content and stand out in today's competitive digital landscape.